Well, we're doing it. We're leaving Mexico. About 2 hours to the border, and then we're heading to San Diego.
There's a mechanic that we're hopeful can work on our windlass and make it new again.
Thanks to Tim and Jessica, who we met in Bay of LA. He says his mechanic is just awesome, and if anyone can fix it, he can. It'd be great if he could fix it good as new, so we didn't have to buy a brand new one. Woohoo! How's it feel?
Well, the streets are better already.
It feels awesome to be on the U.S. soil again. It's been a long time, but I already kind of miss the snorkeling and the beautiful crystal clear water and the beaches and Blue Pearl. So I know we're really going to be excited when we come back, but right now I'm just so stoked to be heading towards family and friends. Made it to San Diego. Are we in San Diego? Carlsbad, actually. We're in Carlsbad.
Back in Estados Unidos.
We're going to try to get some dinner here at a pretty nice restaurant.
Thumbs up, man. That's good stuff.
Thanks, Tim. Guide us back, Tim. Make noise for me. Help me drunk, Tim. Thank you.
Good job.
High fives all the way around.
Did somebody have this apart recently?
Yes.
You?
No. I've had two mechanics, electrical guys, in La Paz with a communication barrier, don't forget, work on this thing. But they can't, there's no new armature that I would like to purchase, and there's no brushes that they can make, so they jerry-rig whatever you're going to
They probably just cleaned it.
Brother, I don't think this is bad. I got an idea. You don't need an armature. Nothing wrong with it. Just clean it up. It's a little bit. It's a little bit.
Excellent.
Here's a little bit. Here's some spots on this. See, there's some. You feel the groove in there
it's
from
up
just
and down
being
all the way around.
It's just being worn.
You can grind that down and make it flat.
Dude,
Put it
see
on the
this right
lathe.
here? See this right here? This is nothing more than a starter that came out of like a XKE, an old Jaguar. You are missing one. There's supposed to be a braided wire that comes out of here, and amperage, high amperage draw blew it, just physically blew it apart, which is a bummer that they didn't understand, or someone didn't care enough what they were doing, because this whole thing, had this been done correctly, this would, look at the brush life. Here's the face of it, here's the thickness of it. Right, look at the amount of brush life left.
Is that a lot or not?
Yeah, that's a lot. Generally, they don't wear out. I mean, generally don't. The environment kills them. How often do you pull up an anchor? You know what I mean? Okay. I can play with it. I'm not scared.
Awesome. So we've made it back to West Marine in Costa Mesa. Actually, I think it's Newport Beach, just right outside of Costa Mesa. This is our favorite West Marine we've ever been in. It's a huge store here in Newport Beach. Highly recommended if you're in the market for a good West Marine.
Happy birthday to the birthday girl.
Happy birthday. Cheers. Cheers. Happy birthday, my mother. Cheers to family. We just bought another RV.
Hey, tuck it in. Tuck it in.
Oh, I see.
Oh, our end is pretty good. I think that's it.
And so the party begins.